Okay, good afternoon, DW1YKX. I'll be unboxing Retevis POC radio. Hopefully makita maayos. Let's see what's inside. Kabibili ko rin pala ng Gomo. So I bought 4. Tingnan natin, baka magamit sa business sa Bulacan. So what's inside the box? We have the manual and some paper documents. Okay, tingnan natin kung paano. So USB-C charger, straps tsaka clip, and some screws para doon sa clip, and the radio itself. So ano kaya mga dito? So ito yung small radio, o sana mapakinabangan sa business. We'll see kung anong nagagawa. So they say dual SIM siya. So yun lang. Let's see how it buksan. Ito pala, hindi kasi nagbabasa ng manual. Let's see. Ayan. Finally, figure out that. Push down. Ayun. So the battery, the unit, and pasukan ng SIM card. So we'll see. I'll be back. Kapitan muna natin ng SIM card. So SIM is in. Ano natin? On natin. Yan. Lulod na. Fully clear yung Yan. So naka-factory charge. Kailangan i-charge muna natin. So I'll be back. Ayusin ko muna yung other phone. So continue tayo later. Good afternoon, I'm back. DW1YKX. Done with. May ginamit silang app na dashboard to set up, to link the radios. So hopefully I'll get to use it sa business. Let's see kung yung performance. Maybe I'll be back for it for the performance review. So ito yun. So, may pitik na. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
So yun yung audio. Medyo malakas. Naka 3 lang ako, minimum. So let's see how it performs. Bye. Peace.